how to restart your Motorola G34 5G, G54 5G and G64 5G. In first method, swipe down the notification panel from the top. Tap the power button icon from the bottom right. Now you can see the power menu. Tap on a restart to restart your Motorola device. Go back. In second method, you can use volume up and power button. Long press the volume up and power button at the same time to view the power menu on your device. Now tap on a restart to restart your Motorola device. And the last method, you can use only power button. Long press the power button to view the power menu. Now by default set the Google Assistant. So you need to change the power button function. To change it, open the app drawer. Tap on a settings app. Now scroll down up to gestures. Tap on a gestures. Now scroll. Tap on a press and hold power button option in the physical key section. Now tap on it. By default set digital assistant. Now choose the power menu. Now long press the power button. Now you can see power menu. Tap on a restart to restarting your Motorola device. Now wait until restart your Motorola device using the power button. So this is the all three method you can use to restart or reboot your Motorola G34 5G, G54 5G and G64 5G device. So now you can see restart your phone. That will helpful to improve your device performance and fix the issue on your device.
Hello Moto.
That's it. If you like it, share it.